everyone, I hope you're well. As you can see, today I thought I'll share with you some of my meditative fish. I love doing fish, just fish from my imagination, because patterns and the colours and shapes are just absolutely endless, and you can't really make a mistake because they're just from your imagination, so they're all perfectly okay. So let me show you how I did these. I think they're really fun. You can make hundreds of them really quickly. Need some watercolour paper. Got my paintbrush and water and my paints, and I'm going to start off by doing a little dome shape, very simple dome shape at the top here. Then I'm going to decide which way my fish is going to go. So for instance, this is going to be the tip, the face of the fish. So if I want my fish to be painted swimming that way, I'll turn the paper this way. And if I want my fish going the other way, let me get one that's going the other way, I'll turn the paper that way. So today I'm going to have him going this way. So that's a good way to start painting, really, because otherwise you get a little bit confused. So after the dome shape, I'm just going to fill up and make an oval. With this end, it's going to be thinner than this end. So I'm going to make it nice and thin, a little bit elongated, like that. Nice and wet, keeping this is the fish's body, so I'm going to keep him nice and wet all the time. And then do a couple of tufts like this for his tail. That sets me up this way, just helps me make a nice tail for him. Doesn't have to be too accurate. There we go. A couple of fins at the front and small little fins at the bottom, and maybe some larger fins at the top. And that's going to be my fish. Now, he looks a little bit plain, so I'm going to fill him in with a bit of colour. And because this is all wet, I'm going to throw in some pigments. Whoa, there we go. It'll just all mix in together. It just creates these lovely shapes, and you just watch all the colours merging into each other. It's so relaxing. There you go. Maybe I want to add a little bit more colour to the tail, and maybe bring some of that colour up from the fins. There we go. I can play around with that. Now this is wet, so you have to wait before you put his eye in. You have to wait till it's totally dry before you attach the eye. So I've got one here that's dry. So I'll get some black paints and paint in his eye. I could, if I want to, add some little spots or little shapes or some little lines, just to add some more decoration when it's dry, so I can put some more paints on top. There we go. More paint. And when that's totally dry again, I might just highlight the eye and put a little white speck, so a bit of reflection, and it always looks really good. So this one I've put lots of little dots on. Let me show you these again. This one I've got some white paint on. I've got some metallic paint on this one. You can absolutely go mad with all your paints. There we go. Got some more. There's a little one here. I quite like this one. It's one of my favourites, that one. One there. Whoa. Another one there. And these are my meditative fish. Hope you've enjoyed. Take care. Bye-bye.